Good morning, children. Hope all are fine and doing good. Children, can you look at this picture? A girl is smelling flowers. A boy is listening to the music. A child is reading a book. A girl is tasting food. Can you find anything common among these pictures?
The use of sense organs.
Yes, children, you are right. The use of sense organs. Our senses help us to understand what's happening around us. They send messages to the brain through the nervous system, and the brain processes the received information from our sense organs. So, all these activities cannot be done without brain. Brain is an important organ of nervous system. The nervous system controls all the organs of our body. Brain, spinal cord and nerves forms the nervous system. Today in nervous system we are going to learn about brain, its parts and functions. Brain is the most complex organ in the human body. An adult human brain weighs around 1.3 kilograms. It contains 100 billions of nerve cells or neurons. Our brain consumes 20% of oxygen we breathe. 60% of human brain is made up of fat. Children, our brain works even when we are asleep. Let me tell you an interesting fact. Brain surgery can be performed when the patient is awake with no pain or discomfort. Do you know why? It is because the brain has no pain receptors and feels no pain. Isn't it amazing, right? Brain is the boss of our body. It is located inside the skull. Brain controls our body movement and helps us to store information in memory. Brain has three main parts. They are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Let us see each part in detail. First we will see about cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of brain. It is the thinking part of brain. It controls the functions of sense organs and voluntary muscles. It is responsible for reading, learning, memory, intelligence, emotions and speech. The cerebrum has two halves or hemisphere, the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. The right hemisphere helps us to think abstract things like music, colors and shapes. The left hemisphere helps in solving math problems, logical thinking and speech. Children, do you know the right hemisphere controls the left side of our body and left hemisphere controls the right side of our body. The next part is cerebellum. Cerebellum lies at the back of the brain below the cerebrum. It is lot smaller than cerebrum, but it is an important part of the brain. Its function is to coordinate muscular movement, maintaining body posture and balance, resulting in smooth and balanced muscular activity. Because of cerebellum, we can stand upright, maintain body balance and able to move around. Children, think of a surfer riding the waves on his board. What does he need more to stay balanced? Is it the best surfboard or wetsuit? More than these, he needs his cerebellum to maintain body balance. The next part is medulla. Medulla is also called as brain stem. It lies beneath the cerebrum and in front of the cerebellum. Brain stem connects the rest of the brain with the spinal cord. It also controls the flow of message between the brain and other parts of the body. It controls basic body functions like heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure and reflexes such as sneezing, coughing and swallowing. So children, let's recall what we learned today. Today in nervous system, we learnt about brain, its parts and function. Brain is an important organ of our nervous system. The nervous system controls all the organs of our body. Brain, spinal cord and nerves forms the nervous system. Brain is located inside the skull. Brain controls our body movements and help us to store information in our memory. Brain has three main parts. They are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part of brain. It controls the functions of sense organs and voluntary muscles. It is responsible for reading, learning, memory, intelligence, emotions and speech. Next we saw about cerebellum. Cerebellum lies below the cerebrum. Its function is to coordinate muscular movement and maintain body balance. Then we saw about medulla. Medulla is also called as brainstem. It controls the basic body functions like heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure and reflexes such as sneezing, coughing and swallowing. Children, now we all know that brain is a very important organ. We need to take care and exercise it. Here are the few basic tips. Eat healthy food that energize your brain. Do physical exercise. Sleep at least 8 hours a day to recharge your brain activity. Engage yourself in reading, playing chess, solving riddles, puzzles or math challenges to keep your brain active. So children, I hope you all understood about brain, its parts and functions. Read this topic in textbook page 89. We will meet in next session. Take care. Thank you.